Hi and welcome to another Elementor and CSS tutorial. In this video we will learn how to target individual bullets or all bullets, but only bullets themselves in a bullet list in Elementor and CSS. For example, let's say that you want the bullets only to be red and the text itself in the bullet list to be of a different color. So let's go to the text editor and insert our list. And now let's create a bullet list out of this. Now, if you're using Elementor Pro, in the advanced panel in the custom CSS field, you can insert the code directly here. So let's type in selector. And first we will see how to give different color to all bullets in our bullet list, but only the bullet points, not the text itself. So in order to do this, what we need to type is list item and type in marker. This will target the bullet points. And then we can say that we want the color to be red, for example. As you can see, this applies the color only to the bullets, while the text stays untouched. Now let's say that I want to apply red color only to certain bullet points, for example to first one and the third one, or just the second one. To do this, I will have to apply so-called nth child. What this means is that each list item in this bullet list has a number in a way. So it is the first child, the second child, the third child, and so on. So if I want to target the second list, it is the second child of the parent bullet list. So I will type here a list item, nth child, and 2. And as you can see, this applies the red color only to the second item. What happens if I want to apply this styling to multiple bullet points? For example, first one and the third one, or second and the third. To do this, I will just simply copy this piece of callout code, type in comma, and here I want to change this to 3. And as you can see, this applies the red color to both of my child items. Now, if you're not using the Elementor Pro version but the free version, there is a way to do this as well. You only won't be able to see the custom CSS field here. So let's delete this code and I will show you how to do that. In the advanced panel, create a class for this bullet list called, let's say, bullet list, and click update. Go back to your CSS code. I'm using a simple custom CSS and JavaScript plugin. You can find the link in the description of this video. And we will now style our child elements of this class. So bullet list, and let's say the second bullet I want to be red. So I will say list item and element and child 2. Because I'm styling the second one, and marker, and the color should be red. Click on update, and if you check your page and preview after refreshing, you can see that the second bullet turned red. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, feel free to share, like, subscribe, or leave a comment below.